All right, guys, so watch this video for August 10th, which is a Wednesday. This is August trading, guys. Look at these last couple days in the SPY. Like an 80-cent range, I think yesterday, like a 90-cent range. Not even a dollar range on the SPY, which is in the $218 area. You would expect at least a dollar range. So it's, and look at the volume. It's just no volume. So this is August trading. Super important to be there at the opening bell. Try to get some money on the gap plays because once the morning's over, there's no money to be had for a trader unless you catch a news story or something. So keep that in mind. And we'll go into the watch list here. Wayfair W just got decimated today. I mean, from 48 down to almost 38, lost about 10 bucks. Probably hitting a trend line or even breaking a trend line there. But a lot of times when you get a big sell-off like that on big volume, you can get a snapback the next day. So I do want to have that as, every day I try to have at least one potential bounce watch on, a bounce play on watch. So that one is one that might bounce tomorrow, only with a proper intraday setup. SINO. I can't ignore a stock that went from 151 to 3 on an intraday basis 2 sessions ago. So now it's sitting at 2. Got a couple lower highs on the daily. Kind of found equilibrium today. So potential long tomorrow. It was on watch today. No trades in it. It's just that simple, right? Having something on watch doesn't mean I'm going to trade it. Just means I have it on watch. Same thing with CBMX. I'm starting to get where I feel silly for having it on watch. But again, if it can kind of break this little trend line right here, it's like got $1 million in the float, so it might get going. It's got to be on watch. KOOL goes on bounce watch again. Had this big pop, then the gap up, then a secondary, but a small one, and now you got 1, 2, 3, like four red days, 5 red days in a row. Kind of retesting this breakout line from back here when it broke over this area. So it's kind of maybe a double bottom here, and you got the 20-day moving average. So nice bounce off for last time. Decent setup with the low float like it has for a potential double bottom there, bounce off of that 4 area tomorrow. PRAN super strong again today inside of yesterday's candle, so just goes on long watch. Sometimes these low floaters can run for several days in a row. PTCT after this pop from 6 to 8 roughly 594. No, that's not right. I was hovering over the wrong candle. 614 to 799, and now it's flagging for a couple days. So if that can get through 8, it might continue to break out. Nice volume on the pop and just flagging. So it goes on watch. REN, this one's extended. It's far away from the moving averages, but it's had a couple big days here. Actually, on an intraday basis, I called this long right over this 5-minute opening 5-minute candle at 974 right there. And we got like a 20-minute move to almost 11. And that one made my day. So, I can use this opportunity at this point in the video to remind you, it only takes one. So make sure that you're only playing your A-plus setups, right? And then it only takes one good trade to make a good day. In cash every night, and I log in every day hoping to catch 1 or 2 good trades. If I don't have the setups, I just don't trade. It's that simple. All right, so that's REN. Just goes on watch. I mean, it definitely looks like it needs to come in here. There it is, kind of on a 2-day, 15. So we'll keep it on watch. But again, I'd like to see us come in for a couple days, and then it'll be one of my favorite setups if that happens. As a day trader with the movement it's making, I've got to have it on watch as early as tomorrow. I had a nice trade in it today. CSLT, big volume spike and closed pretty strong. Great relative strength today, so I want to watch that one tomorrow. HZNP, just another relative strength play here. Gapped up. And sellers came in, and now it's taken out the high of the gap up day. So this one is pretty darn strong. So just going to look for a continuation on that one tomorrow. SIEN. Interesting chart today. We had this on as a potential gap play this morning. And it's got a nice little breakout out of a long range. So looking for a follow-through day tomorrow. One of our moderators in chat, Wayne, called this right here at 771. Looking for a quick move through the high of the day, which we got, and it went to, 840, 841, something like that. So a nice idea by Wayne, nice trade in chat. And we're going to look for a follow-through day tomorrow. The daily chart looks good. ARLZ, nice little breakout today, and really looks good over the 450 area. It's kind of resistance here, 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 and now a nice pop closing at its highs. Good potential for continuation tomorrow. And then lastly, VRX. Very nice breakout today. One of our members, Arnius, was all over this early. And this one looks like it could certainly have a follow-through day. Great consolidation between 20 and 24 for like a couple months now. And then so today is a big breakout for that one. Might be some shorts caught, and you could get a second day of short covering there. So want to watch that one too. We'll also add gap plays in the morning to our list, and we'll be studying all of these as the day unfolds. Hopefully catch some nice trades. All right. Enjoy the rest of your evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.